Shortly after 8 a.m. on Monday, 1st of July 2019, there's the Rouse's Point Elementary School. There's a mist in the air because they're spraying water on the deconstruction, the demolition of the former Harris, McKenna, Harrison, Wyeth Harris Pfizer building here in Rouse's Point. You can see inside the building here as the walls are tumbling down. We were told that the destruction of this portion of the facility would not take place till school was out, and here we are, school is out, and they'll be working non-stop throughout the days, the next 6 days at a time, to tear down the rest of this facility. I'm going to try to step up a little bit, get a little bit higher, step on the back seat of my vehicle. Unfortunately, the direction of the mist will make it kind of impossible to shoot from this angle for very long. I'm just about another 1.5 feet in the air, standing on the back seat of my car. There's the rubble. This is the Academy Street view. This is what will be torn down within the next week or so. It's kind of hit and miss on our part. With the sun shining in our eyes, we can't really tell what the camera is focusing on, but this is a close-up view from the gate. We've shot from this angle. We're now near Maple Street. I've shot from this angle many times, but continue to do so because very shortly all this will be gone. It'll all be just a memory. Now in front on Maple Street, looking over the fence. And last time we were here, this building was, this former building was being torn down. I believe it was a warehouse. A huge flagpole will probably be torn down. It could be taken out and donated to somebody. It'd be an outstanding flagpole. Another angle from this July 1st, 2019. on the side of the building. Slightly different angle. You can see that corner of the building that we saw when we first started recording today, with the water tower behind. We're aware of at least two folks who've done a nice job with drones. There might be others, but we're aware of Noel Barrier and Jedediah Thone, who've both done a drone video of this. We did ask if we could get access to the video that the company has been taking on a weekly basis, but never heard back from them. Although the Press Republican was let in here last week for a tour. Still on Maple, near the end of Pearl Street, here in Rouse's Point. A little further north, another angle. Again, all this will be gone within a very few short weeks. We're going to close today's segment just
I holding our camera up as high as we can. Walking along here, going into the high fence area again. The sounds, that's what the people in this area have heard sound-wise. I don't know if Mike's picking up part of the sounds that the people in the area have heard for the past several months. And just to give you a final idea of exactly where we are. Well, that'll wrap up our July 1st, 2019 look at the ongoing destruction of the former Wyeth Pfizer plant here in Rouse's Point.